Hi, good morning students. Very welcome to Dodapapa Residential Independent Pure Science College annual class. Okay. In my last class, I have discussed how to find the x values if the given statement is inequality form. In my last class, I have discussed up to 11th question. Today we'll go to 12th example from the exercise 6.1. okay, come to 12th example. The given question is in this way, is that is 1 by 2 of 3x by 5 plus 4 close the bracket is greater than equal to 1 by 3 of x minus 6. Here the x is a real number. So we have to write the solution, this one, by using the intervals. Okay? Yes. What is the procedure of solving this method, solving this equation? Okay. Come to solution of this given statement. Given, I will write as well. Given, that is 1 by 2 of 3x upon 5 plus 4 greater than equal to 1 by 3 of x minus 6 is it. This is the given statement is that we have to find the x in real number. X is here what? Real number. Okay. Now we have to simplify inside the bracket one first of all from the LHS side one. Okay. I will write 1 by 2 outside as usual. What is the LCM of nothing means 1 is will be coming. So the LCM of this will be 5 multiply its numerator with 1 and with 5. Okay, 3x into 1, that is 3x will come, plus 4 5 is 20, close the bracket, and you write this side is always as usual. Now simplify this one. Yes, I will write here 2 5 is 10 outside. What left inside you write, that is 3x plus 20 is greater than equal to 1 by 3. Now apply the rule here. I want to remove 10 from LHS side and 3 from RHS side. So I am going to multiply both sides by 3 and 10. Okay. Multiply on both sides by 3 and 10. We get, yes, I am going to multiply here, that is 1 by 10. I will write this is as usual, 3x plus 20 into 10 into 3 is symbol you write as usual again, 1 by 3 x minus 6 into 3 into 10. Yes, here will be going this 10 will be going. What remains here? 3 into, multiply these two terms. 3 3 is 9, 9x is will be coming, 9x. So plus into plus 23 is 60 will come. Greater than equal to symbol. Again here 3 will be going here. So multiply with 10 to these four terms. X into 10, that is 10x. Minus into plus minus, and 10 into 6, 60. Getting? Okay. Now I am removing the next. This. I want to remove the 10x term from the RHS side. Right? Okay, I will go one by one only. I will remove the one by one only, otherwise you will be getting confused. Okay, I am adding subtracting both sides by 10x. Now I am going to subtracting both sides by 10x. Okay, subtract on both sides by 10x. Yes, 9x plus 60 minus 10x is given equal to 10x minus 60 minus 10x is okay. Yes, it is plus 9x and it is minus 10x is there. Simplify, you will get that is minus x, and plus 60 you write as usual as it is, and the symbol will remain same only. And this is plus 10x and it is minus 10x, it is become 0. So what left we have to write, that is minus 60 left. Getting my point? Okay. Next, I want to remove this plus 60 from the LHS side. So I am going to subtract again plus 60 on both sides. Yes, again. So apply here root 1. Root 1 is applying here, and here root 2 is applying here. Okay. Here root 2 is applying, here root 1 is applying, and one more time here I am applying the root 1 only. That is, I am subtracting both sides by 60. I will not write the word here, I will do directly here. Minus x plus 60 minus 60 is given equal to minus 60 minus 60. Rule first one. When equal numbers may be subtracted from both sides of the given inequality without affecting the sign of inequality. Yes? Okay. I am applying the first rule here for removing the positive 60 from LHS side 1. So I am going to subtract both sides by 60. Okay. Plus 60 minus 60 becomes 0. Minus is there both. We have to add it, keep the same sign. And what left here we have to write, that is minus x is left, and the symbol will be same only, and it is become minus 120. Okay. Still it is not in the simplest form for writing the value of x. For writing the value of x, what is the condition here? The coefficient of x should be positive 1, but here the coefficient of x is minus 1 is there, negative 1 is there. So we have to convert this one into positive 1. So how can we convert it 1? We have to multiply and divide by minus 1 on both sides, then we will be getting this positive, coefficient of x is positive of 1. When we are dividing or multiplying by negative value to this given statement, then the sign will be reversed. Keep in mind that is okay. And now I am going to directly here. I am multiplying with minus 1 2 on both sides. Then the sign will be reversed. See here, when I am going to multiply this statement, then the sign will be reversed. So that's why this step is very important when we are going to multiply by negative 1 by rule second 1. Okay. Okay, now simplify this one. Minus into minus plus x into 1 x. Okay. Less than or equal to minus into minus plus 120 into 1 120. Now write the value of x here. Here the x is real number. Okay. How can we write the solutions of x? Yes, less than or equal to is there. How can we write here? That is the value of x is equal to from negative values to up to 170, 180, 190 and 120 up to 120. We can write the values of x here. These solutions only how can we write by using the intervals? Yes, x is belongs to x is less than 120 120 is there, positive 120. So we have to use the open interval first of all and write the negative infinity, and here 120 will be coming here, and we have to use the closed interval. What stands for this open interval symbol means that is excluding the minus infinity value and including the 120 value in the value of x. Getting my point? This is the way of finding the x if x is a real number. Okay, very simple method is there. By using the two rules, simplify up to getting the coefficient of x is positive 1. Then go to write the solutions of x according to this statement. Then this solutions only we have to write, we have to represent in intervals. Getting? Okay, this is the 12th question solution is there. Okay. Now moving to next question, 13th one. That is 2 of 2x plus 3 minus 10 is less than 6 of x minus 2 is there. Yes, this is a given question is there. We have to simplify, we have to find the value of x. Here x is a real number. Okay, come to the solution of this one. Given, I will write first of all, given that is 2 of 2x plus 3 minus 10 is less than 6 of x minus 2. This is the given question is there. First of all, multiply with 2 to both terms of the inside the bracket one. Yes, 2 into 2x, 4x will be getting you, plus into plus plus, 2 3 is 6, minus 10 is there, you write as usual outside, and is less than, simple you write as usual, and again 6 to both terms of the bracket 1, we have to multiply, 6 into 1x, 6x, plus into minus, minus 6 2 is 12. Okay. Now simplify here, these are two like terms. So what will be coming here? 4x minus 4 left here, plus 6 minus 10. Subtract and you will be getting answer is minus 4x. And you write this is symbol as this one. That is 6x minus 12. Now I want to remove the plus 6 from the RHS side one. What to do here? How to remove this one here? By using the first rule. Subtract both sides by plus 6. I will not write that word, I will write directly here. That is 4x minus 4 minus 6x less than 6x minus 12 minus 6x by using the rule first one. I am subtracting both sides by 6x. Okay. These two are like terms. Simplify, you will get that is minus 2x and minus 4 you write as usual, and this is plus 6x and it is minus 6x becomes 0. So left here minus 12. After doing that one, the next step is removing the minus 4 on LHS side one. So we have to add both sides by 4. Okay, I will write directly here again. Minus 2x minus 4 plus 4 is less than minus 12 plus 4. By using the rule again, first one only. Okay, simplify. This is minus 2x is single term is right as usual. Minus and this plus is it becomes 0. And simplify, you will get here minus 8. Yes, here the last statement is minus 2x is less than minus 2x is less than minus 8 is there. So then what is the value of, how can we convert this coefficient of x is positive 1? On both sides we have to divide by -2, then we will get the x coefficient is positive 1. Yes, okay. By applying the second rule here, I am dividing both sides by -2, then the sign will be reversed. This is the condition in second rule. And -8 by -2, because by applying the second rule, in the second rule we are multiplying or divide by negative value, then the sign of inequality will be reversed. Please keep in mind this one. Okay, now simplify this one. This -2 become 1, and you write x is more than, minus get cancelled, and 2 1 ja 2 4 ja. The value of x is more than 4 is there. What are the values of x here? If this like statement is there, means how can we write the solutions of x? Okay, I am going to rub it. The solutions of x here, including, that is 3.99. So 4, the value of x is more than 4 is there, means the value of x is more than 4 means it is wrong. It is wrong, sorry. 4.01 is also more than 4. Similarly, we can write up to, I will write only the integers value, that is after this one will be coming, that is 5, 6, 7 up to infinity we can write. As real number, I am explaining here the x is real number. This is 4.1, because the x value is more than 4 means that 4.01 is more than 4 only is there. Yes, this only how can we write in intervals, means that is x belongs to open interval 4 and infinity and open interval again infinity, because less than symbol is there or here, greater than less than or greater than symbol means we have to use, that is open interval symbols for representing the solution. Here x is a real number. Okay, I hope that all of you getting this one. Yes, please try to understand this example. Very simple is that. Okay. Now I am moving to next question here. That is 14th one. Question. (37) minus of 3x plus 5 is more than or equal to 9x minus 8 of x minus 3. Yes, this is the given question in 14th question. Yes, how to simplify it now? I am going to write the solution of this one. Write the solution given one. I will write the as usual. 37 minus 3x plus 5 is more than or equal to 9x minus 8 of x minus 3. Yes, you write this neatly. Okay. Now simplify this one. First of all, solve this bracket one. We have to multiply with -1 to insert the both terms. Okay. 37 you write as usual. Minus into plus minus 1 into 3x 3x. Minus into plus minus 1 into 5, that is 5. Write this symbol is as usual. Again 9x you keep as usual. You have to multiply both terms with the -8. Minus into plus minus 8 into 1x, it is 8x. Minus into minus plus 8 3 ja 24. Yes, very simple lesson. From the LHS side, see the like terms is there any? 2. Okay, S is there. Like terms, this 37 minus 5 is there. Simplify, we will get that is 32 minus 3x is more than or equal to. Here these two are like terms are there. Simplify, we will get that is x plus 24 left here. Now I am going to wish to remove this x from the RHS side one. This is x term is there. X it is. Yes, I want to wish to remove this one from the RHS side. So I am going to separate both sides by x. I will not write that word here. I will write directly here. Otherwise it is too lengthy. 32 minus 3x minus x is greater than or equal to x plus 24 minus x, because firstly when we are when we are going to add and subtract equal numbers on both sides, then the sign will not affect. There is no affecting on this sign of inequality. Keep in mind that point. Okay. Now simplify from the LHS side one. This both are like terms and both are in negative. So add and keep the same sign. That is 32 minus 4x is more than or equal to. These two will become 0. That is remains here only 24. Again I want to wish here remove the 32 from the LHS side one. So what we do here, we have to separate again 32 on both sides. I will write on minus 4x minus 32 is more than or equal to 24 minus 32 because of first rule. Again I am using here again first rule only. Yes. Now simplify here, this plus 32 minus 32 becomes 0 and left here minus 4x and write the symbol as usual, and simplify this one, we will get 8. Which one 8? Minus 8. Getting my point? Simplify, subtract 24 and minus 32, the answer will be coming minus 8. So for getting the coefficient of x is positive 1, what we do here? We have to divide both sides by negative 4. When we are going to divide to this statement, then the sign will be reversed. Keep in mind. Okay. So I am going to divide on both sides by minus 4. Then the sign will be reversed. When we are going to divide negative value to the statement, then the sign will be reversed. This is the important point. Minus 8 by minus 4. Because of rule second one. Please read the second one rule. Simplify here. Minus will become positive and 4 on the left only. Next one is positive 1. Coefficient of x is 1. Minus become plus and 4 on the 4 2 ja. So what left we have to write here? Okay. So x is less than or equal to 2, is it? Yes? Yes, this is right. So how can we write the values of x here? The value of x is less than or equal to 2 means the value of x equal to, how can we write? So 1 minus 4 minus 3 minus 2 minus 1 0 1 2 we can write. I wrote only that integers values, and real numbers means all the numbers will be present, is the decimal numbers will be coming, fraction numbers will be coming. Just I am writing the solutions of x in terms of integers only. And these only how can we write in the interval form? Please express this one in the form of, represent these solutions in interval form. How can we represent those one means in this way? The x is belongs to, symbol is which one is there? You have to see here, we have to check here. The symbol is less than or equal to is there, so that's why here open interval will be coming minus infinity, and here 2 will be coming, here this closed interval will be coming. What is the meaning of this? The value of x is excluding the negative infinity and including the positive 2 value. I wrote here. Okay. This is the required solution for the 14th one. Okay. This is the way of finding the solution. Okay. Yes. Now I am moving to next question, that is 15th one. I will do here only. Yes, come to the 15th one. The 15th question is x by 4 is less than 5x minus 2 divided by 3 minus 7x minus 3 divided by 5. We have to find the value of x in terms of real number. Yes, we have to simplify first of all this RC side part, make one linear equation part, then apply the rules. Okay, come to the solution of this one. I am going to give one here as usual. X by 4 less than 5x minus 2 divided by 3 minus 7x minus 3 divided by 5. Yes, we have to take the LCM of this 3 and 5. We have to take LCM of 3 and 5, that is x by 4. LCM of 3 and 5 is, that is 15 will come. So we have to multiply its numerator with 5 and we have to multiply its numerator with 3. Getting my point? Yes, multiply. 5x into 5, that is 25, x will be getting you. Yes, minus into plus, minus 2 5 and 10 will be getting you. Here minus is there, I will write minus and getting values will be keeping inside the bracket because the sign will be changing. So 7x into 3, 21x minus into plus minus 3 3 is 9. Okay. So simplify again the numerator form of on LHS side to RHS side one, that is x by 4 is less than 25x 25x minus 10. Simplify plus minus into plus minus 21x minus into minus plus 9 upon 15. Now simplify the numerator form. Write again x by 4. This is 25x minus 21x become 4x is left here. This is minus 10. This is plus 9. Left only minus 1 here. So divided by 15. For removing the 4 from LHS side, 15 from RHS side, what we do here? We have to multiply both sides by 4 and 15. We get, okay. If you want me to write that word, so okay, better to write, then only you can understand very easily. Multiply on both sides by 4 and 15. We get that is, I will write x by 4 into 4 into 15 is less than equal to, means only less than 4x minus 1 divided by 15 into 4 into 15 according to this word meaning. I am multiplying both sides by 4 and 15. Okay, now remove this 4 and get cancelled. What left we have to write, that is 15x remains here. X into 15, 15x. Less than symbol. Here it will be going here. You have to write inside the bracket 4x minus 1. Okay. Here 15 is going. So what left here 4? We have to multiply with 4 to these two terms. So 4 4 is 16x minus 4 is k. Getting all of you up to here? Okay. Next step is for removing the plus 16 from on LHS side one. So what we do here? We have to separate both sides by 16. By using the second rule, this one. Okay, if you want me to write here, mention here, because rule second one. Okay. Next step, I am subtracting both sides by 16x. 15x minus 16x is less than 16x minus 4 minus 16x because of rule first one. Okay, simplify. It is positive 15x and it is negative 16x is left here, negative x only, so minus of x left only. Symbol you write as usual. This is positive 16x, negative 16x becomes 0. So what left we have write, that is minus 4 left. So we have to write the given statement of this one. Now open statement is this one. In this statement we can't see the coefficient of x is positive 1. Here the coefficient of x is negative 1 is convert into positive 1 by using the second rule. So multiply both sides by negative 1. So then what will be happening, the sign. So I am going to multiply direct here, minus x into minus 1, then the sign will be reversed, minus 4 into minus 1 because rule second one. Recall the second one rule. When we are multiplied or divided by negative value, then the sign of inequality will be reversed. That is the main point here. Okay, where this sign become the same thing, the less than can become greater than is happens, so the value of this side because of rule 2. When we are going to multiply both sides to negative value, then the sign will be reversed. This is the very important point. Okay, simplify. Minus into minus plus x into 1 x more than minus into minus plus 4 1 4. Again see here the value of x is what happening. The value of x is more than 4 again here. So how can we write these values in sum of values I am writing here. Only few value I am writing here. That is 4.01. Just this is 1. This means the value of x is more than 4 once. And next is 5. Just I am writing the integers, means natural number 6, 7 up to infinity we can write. So how can we represent these one in interval form? That is x belongs to 4 and both sides will be open interval. So what stands that symbol means the value of x is excluding the extreme value. Getting? This is the required solution of the 15th question. Okay? Yes. Come to the next one from this question. It is the last one, that is 16th one is there. So I am going to explain now that is. Now I am going to 16th question. This is the last question in this speech. Okay. Okay, come to the last question in this bit, that is 16th one, and very simple one. Yes, come to the 16th question. The given question is 2x minus 1 upon 6. Sorry, this 3 is a 3 greater than or equal to 3x minus 2 upon 4 minus 2 minus x divided by 5. Yes, this is the given question is that we have to find the value of x. Here the x is real number. Okay. Yes, first of all take the LCM of 4 and 5. What is the LCM of 4 and 5? And LCM set right as usual. 2x minus 1 divided by 3 is more than or equal to. Take the LCM of 4 and 5, that is 20 will come. When will come 20 in 4 table, 5 is there. So we have to multiply its numerator with 5. So when will come 20 in 5 table, we have to multiply with the numerator with 4. Getting my point? Okay. Plus 3x into 5, that is 15x. Minus into plus minus 2 5 is 10. So I'll write the next one, the values inside the bracket. Okay. 2 4 is 8, minus into plus minus x into 4 4x. Okay. Now simplify the numerator of on RSS side one and write Left side one you have to write as usual. Simplify this. 15x minus 10 minus into plus minus 8 minus into minus plus, you know very well, 4x divided by 20. Now simplify the like terms. Simplify the like terms here. Yes, what will come here? Okay, this is 15x plus that is divided by 3, 19x, and it is minus 10 minus it become minus 18 divided by 20 is it. Okay, the next is for removing the 20 from RHS side, 3 from LHS side. So what we do here, we have to multiply both sides by 3 and 20. Okay, I write it directly here. Okay. Inside the bracket we have to write this one, 2x minus 1 divided by 3 into 3 into 20. When we are going to multiply a positive value, the sign will not reverse it. Keep in mind. Okay. Next, 19x minus 18 divided by 20 into 3 into 20. Yes. From LHS side 3 1 will be going, and from RHS side 21 will be going. So what left here? 20. We have to multiply with these two terms. With 20 we have to multiply the two terms. So what will come here? This is 40x minus 20 will come. Greater or equal to multiply with 19x minus 8 with 3. Sorry. So 93 is just 57. X will come, and this will be coming 54. Now I wish to simplify this. I want to remove this plus 57x on RHS side by. Okay, so I am going to separate both sides by, apply the rule here, second one. Okay, here 40x minus 20 minus 57x is more than or equal to 57x minus 54 minus 57x. Okay, simplify this to this. So it become how much? This is become minus 17x is greater than or equal to, sorry, one more is it there is minus 20 right as usual. Minus 20 is more than or equal to, this positive 57x and negative 57x becomes 0. So what left next only? Minus 54. So the next one is, I want to wish here for removing the minus 20 on LHS side. So I am going to add both sides by 20. Okay, by using the first rule, minus 17x minus 20 plus 20. Then also the sign will not reverse, minus 54 plus 20 by using the rule first one. Okay, we are also using the first rule here. Rule is using here first one. Okay. See here, this minus 20 and plus 20 becomes 0. So what left here? Minus 17x is left only, and the sign will be reverse. Say no reverse here. And simplify this one, you will be getting minus 34. See here, in this statement, the coefficient of x is minus 17 is there. We have to convert into positive one. When we are going to divide both sides by negative 17, then you will be getting the positive and the sign will be reversed according to the second rule. Yes. So I am going to divide both sides by minus 17. Then the sign will be reversed. Keep in mind this point, minus 37 divided by minus 17 because of rule second one. Because of rule second one. Now simplify, minus become cancelled, and 17 1 17, 17 1 17, and then left only the positive 1, I less than equal to minus becomes positive, and 71 to 70, 72 is 34. So left here x value is less than equal to 2. So how can we write the x values in integers? I am writing here. So on minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, up to, you can including the value of 2 also in the value of x. 2 also including, because less than or equal to is there, no? That's why you have to write the 2 is the solution of x. So this is all. How can we represent in the intervals? Means that is, open the interval and use here as a closed interval. What is the meaning of this 2 interval? Means this is the value of x is negative and it is excluding, and the value of x is 2 will be excluding the x value. This is the meaning of this one. Yes, this is the 16th question answer. Yes, I hope that all of you understood very well without any doubt, and the remaining questions I will discuss in the next class. Take care. Bye.